recording for obvious reasons. Before I go and clean the bonfire up, just in case there's any bitching about it. I'll just pause it. Well, the observer's in the window watching, and that's what's left over. I'll pan it round in a minute and catch her. You're right there, Roxy. Yeah. Bit of paper. And there she's sitting in the window. Just like I said, waiting for the blinds to open. Yeah, ready for the next bonfire. That's the garden dog pooped. The weeds that refused to burn that was in the bonfire, and the weed roots, where did they come from? When I dug this out, wasn't it? But they wouldn't burn, if you see what I mean. When I dug all this bit out and levelled it, ready for the shed base. Yeah, someone's waiting, was waiting to be a witness to me cleaning up a bonfire. Do you know what I mean? Pathetic, innit? Garden pooped. Right, shall we go and have a sit down, Roxy? We've done all we need to do today. Messing with the wrong breed, didn't they? They forget that. Can't attack one on their own without attacking themselves, can they? Stupid fools. No fools like old fools. Go on, get up there into the garden. Yeah, look. Still there. Come on then. You come and sit up here, do you? Or you want to bounce about and play? She's got the zoomies. She hasn't been for a run all week. Bit of built up energy. You feel better now? Look at the state of your feet. Why am I hearing a helicopter noise? While I'm recording. Is it still recording? Yep. Oh look, direct line of flight. Police helicopter again. Oh no, it's not, it's a red one. Means it's a royal one. Well, they can have that anyway, can't they? For locking us all down illegally. Mind you don't crash. Do you see what I mean? Someone must be going to the military bases nearby then. I'm glad I got that on film. Just proves my point. Still, I'm going to have a nice ciggy and enjoy nature. With no rulers, no masters and no flag.